गोयचे फामाद दोतोर फ्रांसिस्को कोलासो हांची अमेरिकन सोसायटी ऑफ इकोकार्डियोग्राफी मानद वांगडी म्हणून निवड जाल्या। काळजाच्या अल्ट्रासाउंड क्षेत्रात बरी कामगिरी केल्ले खातीर तांची निवड जाल्या। अमेरिके भायल्या दोतोरांक हो भोवमान मेळटा। 6 सप्टेंबर 2025 ह्या दिसा अधिकृत घोषणा जातली।
Yes, I have been honored, and it is a very, very rare honor. Only 3 people in the world get this honor, and for me, it is like a vindication or a just, helping me, to study more, to say not to say no in echocardiography, but that the road ahead is long, and I ultimately can do more and can achieve more also. But that this is a very, very rare one. Nobody else must have got in this side of the earth. But I have been, honored, and this is something that makes me so very happy for all I have done through the years, studying echo, developing echo, buying new machines, seeing the new applications, providing the patients with the reports, which are helping them enormously, to acquire good treatment, and also to have a sort of liaison to me as a doctor, who has done something and has gone out of his way to help the patients.